The Sidecar. I've always found this to be a random cocktail I'd often spot on menus and bars abroad, and also not being a big brandy fan, especially after having way too many hangovers from it, I tend to give it a wide berth. Also, if you're going to come at me in the comments section about the sugar rim and say 1991 called, it wants its cocktail back, bring it on and give it your best shot. The ingredient lineup: first off, there's this pitiful excuse for a lemon, which is from a supermarket delivery. I've now placed an order with my trusted suppliers for the proper stuff. Brandy, I've gone for Remy Martin VSOP, then Cointreau. I was a bit undecided whether or not to go with my Pierre Ferrand Curacao, but I went for this. Let's kick this off by adding the controversial sugar rim to our glass. Run a piece of lemon around the rim of the glass and then dip this into caster sugar, which I've crushed with a pestle and mortar. Add 1.5 ounces, that's 45 ml of Cognac to our shaker. Then add 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of Cointreau. I apologise for the dry Cointreau on top of the bottle. It's an amateur mistake and I'll go confess this to a priest. Lastly, I'm going to try and juice 3/4 ounce, that's 22.5 ml of lemon juice, which is going to be a task here. Add ice to your shaker and then shake for around 10 to 15 seconds. History of this cocktail is unclear, but it's thought to have been invented in London by Pat McGarry, but was always associated with Harry's bar in Paris. So the proprietor, Harry McElhione, credited McGarry in his book ABC for mixing cocktails. Double strain into a coupe glass. There is no garnish for this one, but if you want to, you can always add an orange or a lemon peel. The taste test. I really enjoyed this one. The brandy works really well with the Cointreau, and you get a smooth velvety sweetness with a bit of dryness. The lemon juice brings some sourness to the party. Now the controversial step in some people's eyes, the sugar rim, this in my opinion helps the drink evolve. Rather than adding simple syrup, if you want the drink less sweetened, the sugar rim gives you that choice. I'm really glad I tried this drink and will definitely be trying it out again.